Hey YouTube, it's Michael Lambert here. I'm back once again with another reaction video. Once again, I'm reacting to Angry Grandma in this video, Dirty Ringtone Prank on Grandma. This is the new one that she and Jake uploaded today, and I'm going to react to it right now. And if any notifications pop up during the video, I apologize and I will take care of them. Now let's get to this video.
Hey, what's up, you guys? Before the video starts, I just wanted to say, ow!
Shut the hell up, Jake. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to my fucking YouTube channel, where you will see Bigfoot hunting videos.
Granny, what's that next to your foot?
Bigfoot shit. He must be close. And you'll also be seeing Neighborhood Watch videos.
Granny, how much longer are we going to be on Neighborhood Watch?
Until we catch that damn dog that's been shitting in my yard.
And last but not least, you will be seeing videos of me pranking the angry grandma. Hey, Granny, come here.
Oh, you fucking asshole. I ain't gonna fucking sit here and let you shit on me. You motherfucker. I'm gonna go have a fucking cigarette.
Come on, Gran, it's cold.
Son of a bitch, hold on a minute. The fucking lighter won't light.
Granny, I'm freezing.
I'm trying.
There, you got it lit.
I got it lit, finally. That fucking wind kept blowing it out. Son of a bitch. That means that we gotta walk all the way down there to go the fuck in. Son of a bitch.
Oh!
Watch where you're going, asshole. Know why the fuck I got one side open and they got the other one open. Motherfucker. Son of a bitch. What damn time is it?
I think it's about 3 o'clock.
It ain't no fucking 3 o'clock. If it was 3 o'clock, I'd be knocked out. Shit. Son of a bitch. We still gonna have to walk all the way around there. Motherfucker. Oh, fuck. I think somebody's shitting that damn thing. The wind ain't killing that. You son of a bitch. You changed my fucking ringtone to that damn shit. The hell you didn't, cause I sure the fuck didn't, cause I don't know how to change the damn thing.
I never changed it.
The fuck you didn't. You had my phone at the house, and that's what the hell you done, you motherfucker. You gonna change this motherfucker back. I ain't going no place. And somebody called me, and it's, listen to that fucking stupid fucking shit. You're changing that motherfucker back. I'm telling you that right now. Yeah. Fuck you. What the fuck are you doing? Motherfucker. What the hell am I supposed to do with that fucking chair? Don't put nothing. Put this in my cart one more time, and that's what you're going to get. You're going to get it wrapped right around your fucking head. $6 for that damn caution sign? What the fuck? Son of a bitch. Nobody got that kind of fucking money to buy something that damn stupid. What would I fuck would they want to have with a damn cautious sign? 20% off. Wonder how much those fuckers are. They should have a fucking price on them someplace.
That one in your cart's pretty nice.
They ain't. Motherfucker. I'm gonna beat the fuck out of you. Son of a bitch. See if I can get that damn thing out. You wait. I keep putting that damn thing back up in our stupid ass motherfucker. I wanted to look at these fucking curtains, but can I look at them? Hell no, I can't look at them for your fucking eyes. Son of a bitch. That wasn't blue. That was, oh, do it again, I done told you. I'm gonna beat the hell out of you.
Hey, Gran, look.
Put it, oh, damn you, the one more thing in this motherfucking carton, I'm telling you, I'll walk the fuck out.
You said you wanted a new purse.
What the fuck? Oh, that ain't no fucking purse, you stupid ass. That's the last thing that I put up for your fucking stupid ass that you got down. Who's gonna pay $90 for that anyway? I sure the fuck ain't. That puts you in the mind of Bigfoot's ice.
What?
Bigfoot's ice. It's probably like that. Look at that. Motherfucker. Who in the hell? That's soft. That's nice. But who in the hell would want a rug like that? Hello? 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 Motherfucker. Why in the fuck's that phone doing there if ain't nobody on the motherfucker? Supposed to say call for help. There ain't nobody on the damn thing. Son of a bitch. Oh, you stupid ass motherfucker. Stupid mother. I told you, didn't I? I can't get that back up there. What the fuck I'm doing, you stupid ass motherfucker. Now look at that. It ain't in the right fucking place. They got it. What the fuck? Get the fuck away from me. Look at these little fucking things. $27. Who in the hell's gonna pay $27 for them little motherfuckers to be tore up and thrown away? Stupid. Fuck. Stupid. $39 for this damn thing.
Yeah, it's Power Rangers.
Power Ranger my ass. What's it supposed to do any fucking way? It ain't even doing a damn thing. Ah, fuck that shit. I can't even get it hung back up, fuck it. What the hell's that bucket doing there in the hallway? Motherfucker. Somebody's been pissing in it. They've been pissing in that bucket. Somebody's been pissing in it. Well, I guess I'd have to sit down on it to take a piss, and I can't get that low. Son of a bitch. This is what you need. You can put me, I can get in that, you can hook it up to your moped and take, we can go for rides.
Yeah, we can do some wheelies.
You'd wheelie back on my ass. I know what you'd do, because you couldn't do no wheelie with that on the damn back of it with me. You fucker. Ah, damn.
Hold on, everyone. Let me check on Snoopy. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that, everybody.
Damn. Oh, son of a... I'm telling you. Oh, motherfucker.
What are you doing, Gran?
Trying to turn this motherfucker off. stupid fuck. I don't even know what I got it on now myself. Leave it. What? What'd he say? We better go get... We better go get our stuff and get the fuck out of here. Quiet. Shut up. You're changing that motherfucker when we get home. I don't know where you get any fucking help around here. There's never nobody at where they're supposed to be. I'll throw it at you. Hello? Fuck you, Jake. Look at that shit. Damn. Motherfucker, wonder how much they asked for that. Right there's probably where Bigfoot lives. Right there, in that damn big tree. That big tree right there, do you see it?
What about it?
That's probably where Bigfoot lives. How the fuck do I get to my westerns? Fucking westerns. How the fuck do I get them?
Well, here's the paper, Gran.
For what?
This tells you all about them.
That don't tell me shit. That's got different shit in it. Motherfucker. I don't see a fucking tablet. I don't see. Oh, I'm telling you. Not for no $19. I ain't getting no damn ice paper. You can use your fucking hand. Getting that shit for that much money. I told you I'd go to the fucking dollar store.
Man, look.
Look, just look all the hell you want to.
We can get cookies.
Want no fucking cookies. God, it feels good to sit down for a minute. Son of a bitch. Oh, mother. Do it to me again. Son of a bitch. I'm gonna turn my fucking phone off. If I know how to turn the damn thing off, I turn it off. I turn it completely off. That motherfucker wouldn't be calling me every few minutes.
Gran,
What?
you want some pizza sauce?
No, I don't want no damn pizza sauce. And that ain't pizza sauce no way. Those are tomatoes. You need to get one of those buckets and a fucking mop.
Why?
To scrub all that damn bird shit on your porch. Get it off your damn porch. Motherfucker. Son of a bitch. But that bucket ain't worth no, how come they got $10.19 down here for the bucket and $5.99 right there for the bucket? Now you tell me the fucking difference. $16? $20? Who in the hell can get drunk with them prices like that? Fuck, I couldn't even buy a half a bottle, let alone a whole one. Tequila? Have you ever drunk tequila? They got it on sale for $9.49. $17 for that bottle. $22.49 for that bottle right there beside of you. Son of a bitch. $18.99 for this. And it says margaritas. You ever had a margarita?
No.
I ain't either. I don't know what the fuck that is. How can anybody afford to turn into a drunk with the prices like this? $42 fucking dollars for bourbon. There's bourbon whiskey. It's still $40. $52 for this Tennessee whiskey. Motherfucker. I'll go home and I can get all kinds of that for $10. Buck. Come on, let's go check out.
Granny, you can't get that. It's nothing but alcohol.
I'm ready to go to checkout.
You can't get all that.
Why in the hell can't I?
Because
Because what?
that's probably like $2,000 worth of alcohol.
Fucking ain't you got the money for it? That does it. I'll pull it back. I'm fucking leaving. I don't give a damn. Let everybody in here hear it. I'm leaving.
How you doing?
All right, how are you?
All right.
Good. Old motherfucker. Oh, mother.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Son of a bitch. Keep going. I hope you keep right on going. I don't give
Hold on, everyone. Let me check on Snoopy again. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that, everybody.
a shit. I'm gonna need some help in just a minute. Can I have some help? I gotta do this for credit. And I don't know how to do it on credit. My grandson's card and I stole it from him. And
If it's an insert, you'll insert it and then you'll hit the green button.
$65? Motherfuck. Turn it around.
No, the chip's right here, Mom.
Oh. See, I told you I don't know. I don't know shit about these. I've told you, quit calling me. Stupid ice motherfucker. Oh shit about this. Motherfuck. Don't call me no fucking more.
Oh, that was funny. An awesome video. I give it a thumbs up. And I hope you all enjoyed this reaction video. If you're all new to my main channel or my second channel or Angry Grandma's channel, make sure you guys subscribe. Give both our videos a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell to let you guys know when we both post, and share both of our videos with your friends and family members too, please, everybody. And on my main channel, we are on the road to 7,000 subscribers. And on my second channel, we are on the road to 2,000 subscribers. And please don't forget to take a look at my other videos on my channel's playlists. On both my main channel and my second channel, give them a thumbs up and share them with your friends and family members too, please, everybody. I would really appreciate it. Sorry, I had an itch on the side of my head. Sorry about that, everybody. And I had an itch on my nose, sorry. And please don't forget to take a look at my other videos on my channel's playlists. On both my main channel and my second channel, give them a thumbs up and share them with your friends and family members too, please, everybody. I would really appreciate it. And please help me accomplish my goal. And please help me accomplish my goal to get 7,000 subscribers or more on my main channel and 2,000 subscribers or more on my second channel too, please, everybody. I would really appreciate that too. And please help me bring my views and watch hours up on my main channel by taking a look at my other videos that are on the two playlists. that are on my main channel. Give them a thumbs up and share them with your friends and family members too, please everybody. I would really appreciate that. And please help me bring my subscriber count up on my main channel as well. Also, please everybody, I would really appreciate that too. Please everybody, please, please everybody, please. And congratulations to Angry Grandma on getting 370,000 subscribers. Congratulations to Angry Grandma for getting 370,000 subscribers. Awesome job. And I'm off now, so until next time, see ya.